Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix vibration is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your phone's vibration is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings app here, just go to settings, go to sounds and vibrations. Click on volume, make sure that you have maximize all volume here. You have also selected sound mode and you have enabled this vibrate while ringing. Then you have to go to system vibration here and just maximize its intensity of vibration. And once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, just go to settings again, go to software update section and just make sure that your software is up to date. Click on check for updates. Make sure that you're connected to internet using Wi-Fi or cellular data. So it will check for the pending software updates if you have. So it will update your software. So once updated, your software has been updated. Your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on this restart button, and then click on restart. You have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any technical issue, any software glitch, it might have been fixed in this step, so you will not get this issue again. Or if you are still facing the same issues, there's the only way. Just go to device here, click on diagnostics, and here just wait for a few loading, and then select phone diagnostics from here. Now it will diagnose everything of your phone if you're opening this very first time, or you can select vibration from here and just try to check if your phone is vibrating. Now you just have to wait for this and here just keep holding. You will see if your phone is vibrating. It might ask for you or yes or no. You can also test again, just click on vibrate. It will vibrate your phone. But if your phone is not vibrating, so it means that your vibration motor is not working. Now to fix that, you have to repair your vibration motor physically. There's no any other else. But if your vibration motor is working or you are still facing the same issues, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings, and click on reset settings again. It will completely reset your phone settings to default, so it will not delete any kind of a data. You can easily try this. And after doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.